Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of adding a profile picture to your Gmail account using your Android device. Having a personalized profile picture not only makes your account feel unique, but also helps others easily recognize you. So, let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Here, you'll have access to various settings related to your account. Now, find and tap your profile picture again to proceed. It's time to either upload a new photo or take a fresh one. You can choose a picture from your gallery or snap a new shot directly. After selecting or capturing the perfect image, tap Next at the bottom to review your choice. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping Set as Profile Picture. And just like that, your new Gmail profile picture is set. Enjoy customizing your account, and don't forget to come back for more helpful tips.